What up? What up, simpletons? Christmas is literally my favorite time of year, as you can see by our Christmas tree and this holiday sweater. Alright, so this tutorial is going to be a really quick one. I just want to show you how you can keep your feet consistent using the presets directly within Snapseed. One of the tips to keep your feed consistent is to keep your editing consistent. I always go through the same steps when I edit every photo, so tune image, details, HDR escape, grainy film, curves, white balance, and if I need to adjust any certain areas, then I'll go ahead and finish it off with brush, and that's it. So this image I've already edited using my editing techniques in my first Snapseed tutorial, and if you swipe left on looks, click the plus sign, label it whatever you want it to be, and done. You'll see that I've already created a preset called Holiday. I'm going to show you what this would look like on a similar photo. Let's go with this one. So if I wanted this photo to have similar tones to the last photo that I edited, I'll just go to my holiday preset and voila. It's as simple as that, and it'll save you so much time. It's a lot easier to fine-tune certain areas of a photo versus editing it from scratch. This tool saves a lot of time, especially if you're editing a bunch of photos at once that all were from the same area or all have similar lighting. However, this isn't going to work for all photos. Similar to Lightroom, you can have different presets for different cities that you go to. So if you are in Iceland versus when you're down in Mexico, the tones could be a little bit different, so you might want to create different presets for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose a photo from a couple months ago that I took that was completely different location, and you'll see that it's a lot brighter than the previous photo. If I were to go ahead and apply that preset, it's not going to fit as great as it did for the other photo, and that's because the lighting is different, the location is different, and the settings within my camera at that time were probably different. So this feature works best when you're editing a set of similar photos. And that's pretty much it. It's a really quick tutorial, but it's a really handy feature to use, especially if you don't have a lot of time to edit your photos, or if you're traveling. If you're striving to have a consistent feed, all I would recommend is to keep your editing styles consistent, and using presets within Snapseed is definitely going to help with that as well, and you can create as many presets as you want. Alright, so don't forget to tag me in your photos and hashtag #TEdits. I would love to see your photos and how you're applying some of these Snapseed techniques. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you want more Snapseed tutorials, and if you love this one, comment below what you would like to see next, because I am running out of ideas. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Simpleton family. And happy holidays, everyone. Thank you for following along so far, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. Bye!
Okay, bye.